Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Gmail account or a Google account. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I am currently in google.com and I am not currently signed in because I want to create a Google account or a Gmail account for myself. So all I have to do is click sign in, and then since I don't have an account, just click create. You can choose here if it is your a Google account for your personal use, for your child, or for your work or your business. So it depends on your perspective. So for this one, I'll be trying to create an account for my personal use. So as you can see, it will direct you to this page where you need to write your first name, your last name, your username together with @gmail.com, and then add password and then next. So I'll just fill this up and see you in a bit. Okay, so as you can see, I have already filled up all the blank space and I use Ira Fiend, which means Ira Gmail. So once you're done filling this up, just click next. And then it will verify your phone number because this is for Google security purposes. So I'll just verify my phone number in a bit. Okay, so once you've verified your phone number, don't worry, the Google is only for account security, so your number won't be visible to others. You can choose later whether to use it for other purposes. Next is you can add a recovery email address, but this is optional. This is just for example, you cannot access your account and then you want to change the password, so you can use your recovery email address. Next is type in your birthday and then your gender. Okay, you can also choose to rather not say or customize your gender. You can click this why we ask for this information if you're not comfortable typing your information, so that you can know why they are asking for it. Just click next when you're done, and then you can read privacy in terms, which is the rules and regulations when you are creating an account. You can also choose more options to see the other personalized stuff, and then just click I agree. And there you have it. You have created your Google account, and then you can just go to mail.google.com to see your Gmail account. So let's just wait for a bit. And then here you go, your brand new Gmail account. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on the next video. Bye!